Welcome to Attach 2, where precision meets performance. Today we're diving into the world of lead times to give you an understanding of when you can expect your product to arrive. From couplers to buckets, grabs and specialised attachments, we provide a comprehensive range here at Attach 2 Equipment. Along with that, we really understand the urgency of getting these products to you on your site as soon as possible. So in this video, you're going to get an understanding of our lead times and things that can affect us. Let's talk couplers. Mini tilts, for example, are on the shelf ready to go, so we can get these on the way within 1 to 3 days. The rest of the range, however, require machine-specific adjustments in some cases, so this can take up to 5 to 7 days. Our bucket range is now developed into its third generation, the Mark III. Through ensuring we stock this on the shelf ready to go, we can guarantee a dispatch date within 1 to 3 days throughout the main range. Since we took a punt at introducing the multi-grab bucket to the market, they've become a staple product for many operators. To ensure we keep up with this demand, we hold stock throughout the range, and you can expect a 1 to 3 day dispatch time. Along with our multi-grabs, the same applies to our root rakes, rippers, and the all-in-one bucket, which make up our accessory range. At Attach 2, we understand the value of your time. You can be assured that our team does everything in its power to get your product to you promptly without sacrificing the quality we pride ourselves in. Experience the power of Attach 2 on your work site, where every product is crafted with precision and delivered with efficiency. Elevate your performance, choose Attach 2.